Today my best tasting food drive takes us to Archer Eats. Archer Eats is located opposite Pennywise La Romain. So let's see how it goes. Hi, HKR here. Today we are at Archer's Eat, located opposite Pennywise in La Romain. Now, Archer Eats carries a variety of food, and on this rainy day, you can get a special with hot chocolate and coffee for only $8. So, let's see how it goes.
Hi, morning everybody. My name is Jesse Sidat. Everybody know me as Archer from TikTok if you know me. This is my food place here, Archer Eats. I recently opened about a month now. We opposite here, opposite Pennywise La Romain in the car park. This is the extension car park. You can find me down in the back. I open every day except Wednesdays. Every day except Wednesdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. And I just do things like burgers. You can get wontons. We have a La Romain special, which is like 4 to 5 pieces at massive chicken tenders with fries for $35. You get a ram pack box. So you're sure to get something proper when you come here. The price is pretty good. You can always come and check me out. You can call me at 494-0842. Place an order before. I knew restaurant business a while now. And what prompted me to open this place is an opportunity I see, and I just take it. And I saw how this move. Don't know. This is one of the most popular one out of all the wings I have here. Homemade pepper sauce. This is the key to the secret in this, the homemade pepper sauce. Nowhere else you'll go and taste pepper wings like this because of the pepper sauce. There you go. Follow me. This is the end result here. Are the pepper wings, and like I said before, nowhere in Trinidad you go in and taste a pepper wings like this because of the secret here, the homemade pepper sauce.
So here we have the pepper wings and fries by Archer's Eat. Now watch how this looking, man. It's look really delicious. Wow, yummy. Now watch again, You see, the box can't even close, so you're getting value for your money. Thumbs up to Archer's Eats. And the aroma getting here, wow, it's like in a authentic restaurant. Watch this now, man. Watch the presentation in this. You see, hot on the spot. Couldn't get it any better than the tomatoes. So now we're doing the cheesy fries, which consists of 3 different type of cheese. Right, so let's see how it goes. Right, so you see now why they call it jam pack cheese with fries. Watch this now, man. And what is the cost of this? $40. Only $40. Right, and again, the box can close. Value for your money, people. So since I came here this morning, this is the menu that people come in for, the Romain special. Now you see how delicious this looks, eh? The Romain special only for $35 here at Archer's Eats. Now this is what we're talking about, man. You couldn't get it any better than this. I can't wait to try this, eh? Now you see how full this box is, eh? The box can't even close. And you're getting this for only $35. I'm trying to close just now. So thumbs up to Archer's Eats on the Romain special. Only $35. So here we have the double stack chicken burger. And this thing look really delicious, eh? You couldn't get it any better than this, eh? So you see, when HK recommends something, you recommend the best. Right, so here we have the double stack chicken burger with fries. Now you're getting this for only $50 and you couldn't get it any better than this, eh? Man, this is what we're talking about. So here we have the loaded hot dog, only $25, eh? Right, so the moment of truth now, eh? I'm going to try the pepper wings with the fries. Now, this chicken is well seasoned, it's juicy, and it's tasty. So, thumbs up for Archer's Eats. This is what we're talking about. This is real, true pepper wings. You couldn't get it any better than this. So, feel free to come and visit Archer's Eats to get your best street food and breakfast in Romain here opposite Pennywise. So please remember to subscribe, like and share all my videos. Stay blessed. Till next time. Bye.
So I bounce up Hurricane Randy here at Archer's Food Place opposite Pennywise.
Right. So you see, I'm trying the loaded fries now from Archer's Eater, and this thing real action, and it tastes best. Right? Thumbs up to Archer's Eat. Right? I just want to say a special thanks to Archer for having us there. Now he treated us very nice, and I will surely recommend that when you do visit South Trinidad or from abroad, feel free to come and visit Archer's Eats. Now, this food that I recommend in here, it tastes really delicious, and the quantity, wow, is a lot. Quality for your money, right? So please remember, and the prices, great to suit your pockets, right? And you have a lot of specials too. So please remember to subscribe, like and share my video. Still stay blessed. Till next time. Bye.